Right, hi guys, and don't mind me, I'm just munching on some go ahead bars. I'm doing a toy review right here now. I'm doing grocery guys, whoa, and num-nums, whoa. Yep, so let's do this. Right, so, open this up with one hand. Struggle. The struggle! No. It's so hard, like, one-handed, right? Oh, by the way, Kayden isn't here today. He is at his grandma's, so that's why it's so quiet. Oh, there's one in this one. Dealing with one. And it's cheese! This is, like, really common for me. I got 3 of these. I gave them away, though. I'm a nice person. And it's got mold on it. And it's got a little bunch. Right, so next one, let's put these over there. So on, struggle. Up. We got another cheese. You might want to see the name of this on my rotten receipt. You scared me. My heart just skipped a beat. I look up.
What?
I look up and you're just there. I thought you were at Grandma's.
No, I'm in a different one.
You scared me. So, I found it on the list. It's stinky cheese in the purple.
It will be on Unleashed channel as well.
Yeah, because I've got it on my phone. So, it'll be posted on his and on mine from different views, obviously. So, he's going to end his here. I'm going to carry on mine. It's not done yet.
Yeah,
Stinky cheese. And it's red, which means
you have 3
it's
cheeses.
common. No, I gave one to Megan S. Let's bust this with the one I'll put in their hands. Bust it. Open up for me. It's hard, you gotta bust it open. Gaga.
So what will be Unleashed channel? Oh. You got nothing.
Oh, there's nothing in that one. I don't think there's anything in that one either.
No.
It's empty.
So
where's all mine gone then?
No. Oh shoot.
I ticked them off on my list. I had pizza. I'll just show them on my checklist. I had a putrid pizza. Stinking cheese. I had, where is it? The crusty croissant. And the awful waffle. I had awful lot, so bear in mind that. I don't have any from Badly Frozen. From the awful sauces, I have snot and pepper. From the juices, I have, what's that? Sticky soda. On this side, in the stinky snacks compartment, I have the cruddy chip. And that's it from there. So that's all the grocery guys. Pop out the way. Oh, biscuits.
Shut up.
Biscuit. No. Oh, so move on to these babies. So, right here, I got some num-nums. I have this lip balm. It's an orange lip balm. Maybe they totally destroy it. I didn't even think of writing it, so you can just see about a bit, it's hard to see, but that is an orange filling. It smells nice. Nice, ain't it, guys? This cute little adorable thing here is strawberry scent. I've lost the checklist to these num-nums. I don't know what they're called. Tell me down below in the comments what these are called. All of them, though. This one I think is a peach one by the scent. It's losing its eye colour, though. don't know. And then I've got a motorized one. Doesn't have a scent at all, and it's kind of broken. The batteries have run out, but it's still super cute. So that'll be it for this video. If you're already liking my channel, you've got then please leave a big fat thumbs up and subscribe. Right, bye.